Waiting for that coffee to kick in, baby. Don't mess it up. Waiting for a few more people to get up in here, man, before we turn it up for the live show. Y'all bear with me. Woo! That was close. That was close. That was close. That was close right there. I almost dropped everything. Your boy almost dropped everything. Is we still got some volume, right? Not yet, Kahunas. I didn't see Rage just yet. I'm trying to make sure we got some volume. We turned up in here, man. We got a lit show today. We find out how to improvise. We got a lit show today. What it do? What it do? Happy Monday to everybody, man. As we lit. Happy Monday to everybody as we here. We should be here, man. We got a big week ahead of us, baby. Big week ahead of us. Y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe. Hit that like button, man. Let's get as much people in here. We do have a big week ahead of us, man. This is big for the crypto space, man. We got the Jackson Hole coming over to Jackson 5. My boy, J Powell, no time for puts, baby. Mr. Liquidation himself. Mr. Liquidate the Longs himself. No options available with J Powell. Let's get straight into it. L Bank. I seen my boy, he put me on a gym. I forgot the name of it. It was running though on crypto.com. Forgot the name of it. I gotta go back inside my messages, man. How y'all feeling this morning, man? It's Motivated Monday, not Mope Around Monday, you feel me? You already know Monday sets the tone for the rest of the week, family. So, you know what I mean? We out here. Let's get a good Monday in. It's gonna set the tone. All positive vibes, man. All positive vibes. I see the guy on my comments just a few minutes ago. It was like, oh, that last video was clickbait. How? How was it clickbait? I gave y'all a couple reasons on how we can hit, how we could delete 2 zeros. There's nothing clickbait about that. That was just me. You know what I'm saying? Keeping it real, man. This music got me jamming right now. All right, so Monday. What we got? What we looking for this week? We got the manufacturing PMI, services PMI, new home sales, durable goods orders on Wednesday, pending home sales, Q2 GDP, the second reading, jobless claims also on Thursday, core PCE price index, and then consumer confidence. Not to add, we do got Mr. Jackson Hole in the Jackson 5 itself, man. They gonna talk about it. We gonna see how they what they do about this market, man. Are they gonna crash the market, or will they be dovish? And this is just a huge bear fake out. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes, they always talk about how us bulls get faked out, but sometimes, family, the bears get faked out right here, as you can see right here from the US dollar index. Now the US dollar index here, it is sitting at 108. So yeah, that's pretty high. But every time it hit 108, family, right? Notice the trend? It bounced down. You feel me? And a lot of people sell up here thinking like, oh, the bear market is killing me. They get flushed out, and then the DXY drops back down and gives us an opportunity to make funds. And this is these little moments right here. These are opportunities, family. Like, these are opportunities because it goes back up. We're in a bear market environment, but you can even see for some of the stuff like Tales from the Crypto is naming. You can still find opportunities and gems in a bear market. You just gotta have the time. You gotta do your research, and you gotta be connected into these telegrams, man. These discords, man. A lot of stuff goes on. You feel me? You can learn a lot from everybody. But let's take a look at this. How the market opened. SP down 62, Nasdaq down 269. So we're getting a lot of red as the market is opening. Oh, this is my jam. My bad, y'all. Every time I hear that song, that put a smile on my face. All right, SPY. Now, last time the SPY hit this moving average right here was about 20-day, 2020. I think this is the 20-day moving average right here. It bounced straight up. Every time it hits the moving averages, it bounced straight up. So maybe what the bears are doing, they may take this. They may take this line here. Let me move it on up because I know my big head being away. They may take this down maybe to about 409 and then scoop us back up, scare everybody out the market, get better prices. But you can see every time since the reversal here, we just been bouncing off this moving average for the SPY. I expect the same. Yeah, I'm still bullish. This looks like a fake out to me. If you ask me, it looks like a fake out. But, you know, that's just my opinion, family. You know what I mean? Y'all, this is not financial advice. This is only what Millie's doing. If you didn't get an opportunity to shop on the weekend, I know a lot of experts say, hey, don't shop on the weekends. Weekends are very volatile. You still have the opportunity to do a little bit of DCA. You know, over here on this channel, we don't buy in a green. We buy in a red. This is what we do. Make profits around here, man. So take an opportunity to DCA in the red on your favorite projects, not mine. You feel me? Let's take a look at the Bitcoin charts here. So again, same thing. We got the triple top here, which is a very bearish pattern here, family, on the daily charts. So we got this triple top here. Now that's kind of bearish, right? And I expect us to kind of like flow between 23 and 21. Looks like Bitcoin wants to turn this into a channel, right? In between this support here, which is around 28, and the resistance right now is 23.2. So we got a couple layers of resistance to actually break. Maybe we consolidate here for a few days right here in this box, and we'll see what the crypto space does from there. As you know, Dogelon Mars, your favorite altcoins, none of that matter without Bitcoin and Ethereum. But it's just, to me, I just think it's a fake out. It's just too good to be true. Why wouldn't Ethereum run all the way up to the Ethereum merge? You get what I'm saying? Like, it smells. It just gets smell. It smells like manipulation. It definitely smells like manipulation. It smells like manipulation. I truly did expect Ethereum to run, because think about it, y'all. We have nothing really that can stop us right now. Of course, with the Russian, Ukraine, somebody daughter died. Russia said they gonna get some retaliation or something like that. Still some macro war stuff going on. But other than that, we really don't have nothing that should be stopping the market. It's pure manipulation. The FOMC meeting was 55 days from the last one. So that right there tell me that, okay, they're trying to find these petty reasons to control the market. Why? Because the stock market, the traditional market, it went up. It went up, and to the feds, it's like, okay, it's going against what we're trying to do. They're trying to pretty much tighten the monetary policy. So it's like people getting their bags up, which means people gonna spend more money. They not ready for all that just yet. You know what I'm saying? So we're forced into consolidation. We're forced. Literally, we can't even do nothing about this. Pure manipulation. We ain't got no bad news out there besides with the tornado cash and this and this. But they talking about bugs in Cardano. bugs with the ETH merge, just every small little Paquito things. And these are things that should not affect the market. You can see here from the RSI, man, I expect that we're almost to the point where we're oversold. So I expect if this thing hits down to in between 30 and 20, it looked like it wanted to bounce off 37, but it's going back down. So it's going to go back down right here to RSI. Hopefully it bounced off 29 and send us straight up. Last time we bounced off 26.887, and then we went straight up from there. So, and then the previous time before that was 35. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see. Again, we'll just have to see, family. You know what I'm saying? Bitcoin, we got a lot of stuff going on in the market, but not too much. That's why they got this Jackson 5 thing coming on, man. The Jackson 5. They want to get up there and talk to y'all. Why? Nobody. They want to talk. What they want to talk about is they doing 50 or they doing 75. Y'all let me know in the comment. 50 or 75. Go crazy in the comment section right now. I want to know from everybody. Is it 50 or 0.75? What will be the next rate hike? I need to know from you, family. And if you really love your boy, hit that super chat. You already know what time it is. Like and subscribe. I just appreciate you being here. All right, fear and greed index sitting at a 29. So last week we was just at a 45. Like, this is what bear markets do. They actually get people extremely scared and fearful in the market, and the market becomes extremely volatile, family. And that's where we're getting a lot of volatility. Bitcoin rainbow chart still is saying basically in a fire sale, and then cryptocurrency itself is struggling. So it's funny, like we went through like 2 weeks just to get those gains, and in 2 days we lost all those gains. What y'all think about that? We lost all of those gains in literally 2 days. That is amazing. So if you did take a little profits, kudos to you. If you just hanging on through the pain because you're a long-term survivor, long-term holder, you got diamond hands, shout outs to you, and make sure you also like and subscribe. It's getting a little hot in the kitchen. I gotta let the tie, I had to get all nice and spiffy for y'all on a Monday, but I gotta unbutton that right now. It's getting a little yeah. And yeah, speaking of that expo, the miners did capitulate it, but we finally did see a green, we did see a signal, a hash print signal, which signals that it may be the end of the miner capitulation. But what a lot of people are not talking about, we still got the Mt. Gox situation. So we want to see if a lot of people, once they get their funds unlocked, their Bitcoin unlocked, will they sell their Bitcoin? Will the Mt. Gox situation truly affect Bitcoin and the overall true market? What do y'all think about that? We still got the Mt. Gox situation right around the corner, and yeah, we gonna see what's going on. All right, let's look at some Dogelon Mars. So I wanted to check the 2 week. Well, this is the weekly chart, family, but as you can see, we've been in a descending triangle, and we've been trying to break this descending triangle. In order for us to break it, we would have to see somewhere between 6049. Now, this is the weekly chart. As you can see, we are nearing a point where we are oversold on the weekly charts. So maybe a reversal is bound to happen, or reversal is bound to happen. And that's why I say, man, when you holding this thing for long term, a lot of this macro noise, it really don't matter. You know what I'm saying? If you a long-term holder for Dogelon Mars, let me know right now inside the chat. You can see a bullish divergence kind of like forming here. We got strength here on the downtrend, and then we got weakening strength here on the downtrend. We got the MACD line about to cross the signal line, which usually, family, signals a reversal. And we got a low RSI print here, which is nearly oversold. So the reversal is near. I know I've been saying this for a couple weeks now. I thought we was going to get the reversal 2 weeks ago, and we did print a green week, but now since Betty and ETH want to act up, we got to go through this all over again. So we're looking to break this pattern, family. How long do you think that it will take for Elon to break this pattern. As you can see from the comments here, a lot of people believe Elon will be the next She. Do you think Elon is the next She? Let's talk about some of these comments. This junk token is already rubbish and it goes downhill and sells every day. It is a lot of whales involved. We do know that. How can someone buy Elon coin? Wait, you can go buy it in so many different places. You must be you new to the market. I'm gonna just say you new to the market. Elon down, baby. We got people praying on our market. We got people praying on our downfall, man. Look at all this, man. We do got a couple super bullish comments here, but for the most part, people trying to play on the downside. Now, I know I took a lot of flack for the circulating supply on Elon. Guys, you got to understand some of the projects that I am invested in, okay? So, how can I say this? I don't have nothing against nothing. We like to see 55%. We want to see this more and more of the circulating supply out there, but we can deal with 55%. I know a lot of you guys, family, ladies, gentlemen, don't believe in burns, but to get to those prices, y'all ain't know I can freestyle. But to get to those prices that we need, we gotta cut down some of that max supply and total supply, family. We just got to. It is what it is. Alright? But let's go to some positive highlights. Price has increased 363% for the year. So if you've been holding for a year, salute to you. Dogelon Mars has outperformed 99% of top 100 cryptos in a year. So again, despite all the negative noise, this actually is a profitable token. If you've been holding it for a year, outperformed Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right. Now let's go to some of the risk. It said it's currently trading below the 200-day simple moving average. We know that. Only 14 green days in the last 30. That was higher, but it went down. Down 88% from all-time high. That just looks like an opportunity to me. Has medium liquidity based on its market cap. Interesting. And not trading with any fiat currencies. Also interesting. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. All right. Your boy jamming this morning. I ain't know about that. And we are a mission token. Alright, space food, currency, fairness, longevity, metaverse. We do all that, alright? And then you can go find us on multiple exchanges, listings and stuff. That we still got a lot of work to do. We get the what's that, Binance listing that could be possible, Robinhood, Webull. I talk about it all, family. Make sure you go check out the rest of the channel so you won't be aware of what's going on in the Elon community, what they do in my song. As you can see, when the CZ Binance posted what he should list next, man, we've been seeing so many Dogelon Mars answers, man. Like, a lot of people want Dogelon Mars to be listed on Binance, which is a cool thing. And I pose a question to you guys, as you can see. But hold on. As you can see here, what is this? That's the hourly chart. I wanted to show y'all something on the Dogelon Mars daily charts. 1, 2, 3. A rising wedge. You can call this a triple top, which is a bearish argument here, and we're not at the point that's oversold on the daily. So we already at 603. We could see a little bit more pain, but we never know. But this is what I want to point out to y'all. Let's move these people out the way. No, we want these people in there, and we want the whales and the come on, man. The whales and the krakens, they don't change, family. They don't change. These are guys that have millions of dollars in Elon tokens. Now, whoever, besides just Methuselah here and the Uniswap locked, whoever these people are, they got millions of dollars in Elon token. And they haven't moved it. It's been pretty consistent. I don't know who these people are, But these people are clearly millionaires, clearly philanthropists. They got tens of millions of dollars. This guy right here got $11 million sitting in Elon token. So what I'm going to do, family, is I'm going to try to pay attention to the amount of Elon tokens, because I want to see if they're trading. I want to see if they're trading, if these whales are trading, or if they're hodlers. I want to know if they're trading or if they're hodlers. That's what I want to know. That's what I'm gonna do this week. Let's check out some Lunar Crush, family. Damn, my engineer put the jams on today. I'm feeling good today. If you're feeling good today, make sure you like, subscribe, man. If you're feeling good on a Monday, like and subscribe. All right, so social mentions still up. For the last month, that was about last month. This was around 4,500. It completely doubled. Right. Now I got a surprise for y'all. We finally crossed $140,000 holders. All right, that's good. That's big. Now this is why that's big. If you go on Twitter right now, every day you're seeing a new person post up with that Dogelon Warriors avatar, whatever it is. I'm seeing so many people on it. Like, if I post something right now on Twitter that's Elon based, Dogelon Mars based, about 10 to 17 to 20 of them people at least got the Dogelon Mars avatar, and that thing is growing each and every day, just like the Elon holders. I'm seeing new people become part of the community, new people become part of the channel. So contrary to a lot of people's beliefs, the token is growing. The token is growing. Now you can complain about the value, you can complain about the utility. They are coming out with new things. We got the Methuselah protocol and things of that sort, but the token is growing. But you gotta have an alternate way of looking at things. So this is what this is how I've been looking at some of the things that I've been looking at in the bear market. Let's go. So this is one of the tokens that I hold, for instance, Beefy Finance, right? I'm gonna tell you why I hold this token, right? First of all, I feel like it has a lot of opportunity, right? We know that it went all the way up to like $3,000 at one point, but it could go past that, and this is why. You see this right here, guys? You got to start paying attention to this right here if you want to make money in the crypto space. Circulating supply. Now, the max supply for this is 80,000. This is like a deflationary token. The circulating supply is 90%. So you won't get dumped on. You won't get minted on. You can go look at this and then compare it to something like a Gala. You know, you want to make sure the circulating supply is over 50%. Preferably over 75%. Now I'm teaching y'all something right now, right? All right. You can't afford a Beefy Finance. All right, we get it. You know, everybody on my channel, I get it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, you know, I'm a regular person. I'm not no huge wealthy person, nothing. But I see the opportunity with stuff like this because it's $28 million market cap. It's in the DeFi sector. It offers real yield here, real yield. This is gonna be big. So once the bear market comes in, once the bear market ends, everybody's going to be trying to earn this yield. We've seen it from the Anchor protocol. All right. So these type of coins go crazy once the bear market ends. It's just hard, family, trying to time when to buy these, because in the bear market, they don't do as well. But when the bull run comes, these are one of the top coins because everybody's trying to make that passive income through real yield. But this is what sold me. The fact that it got 72 circulating supply. So this token could go all the way up to like 10, 15 grand per token and even more. You get what I'm saying? The more people that use Beefy Finance, the more higher this token is going to go. All right, let me find another good one. I got an even better one. Quant is about to be huge. All right, let me show you why Quant is going to be huge here. Let me see if I can find it. All right. See if I can find. Go follow me on Twitter. Man. I'm dropping gems. All right. As you can see, I didn't want to do that. As you can see, my boy BitBoy Crypto, he's looking at Quant right now. Quant right there. This is what I want to show y'all, family. Just like Hedera, Quant is working to be ISO 222 compliant. Right? We like to see that. what I'm looking for here. I think it's down here sometime. Y'all bear with me. Listen to the music, vibe with me, bear with me. All right, here we go. So Quant, central bank digital currency issuance and transaction, commercial stablecoin issuance and transaction, tokenized money. Quant allows the simple and flexible implementation of digital currency. I'm giving y'all gems right now, right? Now I know it's a little, it's on the expense. I usually do like coins and stuff that's like under $1. I get it, but you know, you gotta have the right strategy out here. So Quant, also, all of these companies are interested in Quant, right? So right now, Quant is sitting at 106. This thing can go all the way up to like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 per token. Also, as you see, low supply. Only what? 12 million Quant out there, 14 million. So this probably can't go as high as Beefy Finance, right? But it's a token that everybody's looking, man, and it has like that Bitcoin feel to it because of the circulating supply. So you can have your Elon, that's good. Have your Elon. You feel me? You gotta have your meme coin, you gotta have your mission token. Family, I get it. But start looking at these circulating supplies and start finding these tokens with low circulating supplies, low max supplies, low total supplies, and most of it all the way in the circulating supplies. You can see 83%. We'd like to see this number over 75%. All-time high for Quant was like 393. Very new token. It can go higher than that though. It can go to like 1,000 per token, and it will in the next bull run because everybody's gonna be buying Quant. Everybody's looking for the next Bitcoin. It is what it is. So get you some inflationary tokens. Find you some stuff that you know that's hot right now, hot in the kitchen. To add, family, with your Elon token, diversify. Now you got Filecoin, you got DYDX, you got a whole lot of different options. You don't have to just do these. Don't follow me, don't copy me, do what you do. But I'm just throwing you an assist in the right direction so you can know where to start your research at when diversifying your portfolio. Okay, so you got your Elon tokens, you got what you need with Elon, cool. Find the next narratives in the crypto space and find those projects, add them to your portfolio in the red, so when this thing turns around, family, you'll be good. You know what we doing over here. We creating legacies for the family, man. This is not financial advice. This is only what Millie's doing. Like, subscribe, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur in the algorithm. Turn up. Let's get it. I already know, man. I'm excited about these tokens. All right. So we know the Jackson Hole is coming, man. We know ETH merge is coming. We got a lot of things to look forward to, but when will this end? I'm expecting a reversal, family. That's my opinion. I don't think that this bearish trend continues too much longer. I think they want to run up this Ethereum thing up to the merge, and then that's when we'll see the real sell-off. It's gonna be buy the rumor, sell the news. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Buy the rumor, sell the news. All right, we got that. Cool. We also got China's situation here. So as you already know, China going through a financial crisis, the housing markets, all that crazy stuff. We already know. So more pain. All right, I covered that. And what's that? June 20th, August 20th, we seen a whole bunch of people get liquidated. More people than the 3 AC liquidations. That's why I feel like this is a fake sell-off. I feel like it's a fake sell-off because then we actually had a reason. When Elon Musk sold his Bitcoin, when Terra Luna capitulated, Voyager, Celsius, and 3AC, we actually had a reason. This last flash crash, what was the reason? Everybody gearing up for the Jackson Hole, trying to get they bags right, and then this thing gonna fly up to the Ethereum merge. I still believe in my 55-day green strategy. Make sure you go check out the other video. All right, so we trying to stay strong out here, man. We trying to stay focused. And y'all ain't tell me, man, what's the rate hike? Is we doing 75? We doing 50? Or we going to full 100? I want to know from y'all. And altcoin season is sitting at a 76. So it was at a 98. You can get a little bit of bags. I like to see it go all the way to Bitcoin season. That's when I get my bags up. But that's it. That's all I got for you guys as far as the news, man. Q&A question. Q&A. Drop your questions right now. I'm about to check out the chat, see what's going on in the chat, answer some of these questions, man, and see what's going on, man. Appreciate everybody that's been here the whole time. Ooh, that was a lot for the. That was a lot for the. That was a lot for the. Man. Whew. All right, that was a lot. Bitcoin. All right, salute to my boy. Tales to the crib. Huge kahunas. I gotta look at Rage. What up, Cali? L Bank. I gotta check it out. It's already up 200 million%. Oh, it's too late then. It's too late, man. L Bank. I don't even think that's on Coin Market Cap yet. It's too late for that. Miners selling off. We talked about it because the bill's being signed. Good morning, big homie. Glad to see the live streams on and popping. And I just got 100 mil of these. Go. All right, man. Shout out to you, man. Do your research. Cali bought me a quick 100 million. Huge kahunas holding 21 billion, but bought 10 billion in early November, paying between 1,200 and 1,400 per billion. Huge, you dedicated. We like to see that. A bit of everything. Zabek protocol, also a great coin. That's what it was. A bit of everything. It was Zabek. Bit of everything. He put me on the Zabek. Now I didn't buy it or anything. I just wanted to put it on my watch list. Because again, when things fly up like that, I like to really wait for the consolidation. We don't want to actually get into buying things when they on the run, because that's how you lose money. We buy things when they're down. We find opportunities when they're down. You feel me? We find opportunities when they're down. So, for instance, let me give you an example. Let's say I was looking at tokens in the top 100. We're gonna just do the top 100 because that's less volatile. I'm not trying to put y'all on to something that's too volatile. All right, so I would go down here to this 7-day and 24 hour. The 7-day and 24 hour, right? And we're gonna see what's some good projects that's down 20-30% for the week, 15 to 30% for the week. So we like Helium, HNT. That's something we know that's gonna be around. Quant is on sale right now. We just talked about Quant. You know what I mean? Uniswap is a good one. Flow, that took a little run. We know when Flow run, it actually runs, so that is down 30%. And some of these are swing trades. You feel me? I've been working on swing trading. I'm not into actually daily trades yet because I want to learn more about shorting tokens, and I haven't figured out my personal I'm learning. I'm not gonna say I haven't figured out, but I'm learning different ways to short tokens. We always know how to long and get money, but so many people underrate how important it is to learn how to short tokens. This is part of the game, family. All right, so I get to looking at stuff that's down major for the week, but good programs like Near Protocol. We know that's going to be around. That's in a deal right now. Near, Solana. Not a fan of Solana, but hey, it is what it is. Running up to the merge, we got ETC, Ethereum Classic. So a lot of the miners from Ethereum plan on going to ETC. This is a good swing trade up to the merge, down 22% on the day. So you use these red days as sharp. And Mina was going crazy. It's down. It's finding that consolidation after its run. You know what I'm saying? Find good stuff on the red days. You know what I'm saying? Never go shopping on those green days. When you seeing things go up 20, like EOS, I wouldn't buy EOS right now while it's on a run. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to buy it on the run. I'll wait till it turns red, do my research, make sure it's a good project. If plan on be around, check the roadmap, check Coin Scammer, do all of these things. Do research and make sure that you got good projects. That's part of your portfolio. And still going. Tales of Crypto says she got you dropping up MT September. Got to check that out. I managed to gain back the stuff I lost, Illy. I know a bit of everything. You was a little upset about the whole Elon situation. Stephen A. CoinAnnex, what was the Dogecoin's prediction in 12 months, please? All right, I got you, man. I got you. I got you. Let me see if we can find that. Stephen A. Smith. All right, let's see. One year prediction for Dogecoin. If you can see that, Stephen A, it's 95 cents. it's a pretty good. Hey, if you can get a whole bunch at 5 cents, that's a pretty good that's a pretty good opportunity right there. And if you can see the chart here, this is how it plans on getting to 95 cents. So they're expecting that bull run here to be what's that? Where we at? 8. So they're expecting the bull run to start in January 23rd. They expected to go from 16 cent to 99 cent. I mean, if Dogecoin take that type of run, and it can, because we've seen it do it before, that'd be crazy. I don't have any Dogecoin, just to let you guys know. So this was specifically for the chat. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start having to do that members only on y'all. Y'all be playing around, man. You feel me? You see them big YouTubers be hitting, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Nah, I love y'all, man. I rock with y'all. I ain't gonna do that. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep it all the way trill. So yeah, 99 cents. That'll be a pretty good run, man. If you guys use some Dogecoin, you know you gotta go through this pain right now. Once the pain is over, you can see the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Prime, what up, Prime? What it do? Shout out to Prime. Y'all go follow her on Twitter. Says, get ready for the Doge to hype. Tesla is about to split and Doge follows. All right. Now, we did see Doge Chain come out, and you know what I'm saying? Doge Chain is like a DEX swap. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's, well, not I'm going to say a DEX swap, but a DEX, I think people build on Doge Chain, like they can launch tokens and stuff like that. I got to do a little bit more research on Doge Chain, but Doge Chain is going to be big for Dogecoin. Like, Dogecoin has been quiet, been real quiet, but building. You know, like Sheep, for instance, they've been real out there about the stuff that they're working on building, and you see it. But Doge has been quiet, family. But you can't sleep on Doge, because Elon Musk, he pretty much stamped it. He said he sold his Bitcoin, but he didn't sell his Doge. So that should tell you something of what he plans on doing with this token. And when Doge runs, when Shiba Inu runs, guess what else runs? Elon token. So Dogecoin making this run would be pretty positive for Dogelon Mars as well. Actually, let's see when Elon gonna actually do its run. That was a good question. All right, let's check it out here. Now, y'all gotta let me know why my thing keep doing this. Like on a 5-day prediction, like what is this $3.56E7? Like what is this? What is this? Why is my thing doing it? I can't even figure it out how to get it back to normal. It only does this with my Elon token, and it just started doing this like within a couple weeks. All right, let's see how we gonna run to that 4063 here, family. So it says we gonna see a little run here to 401, and what's this? That's very soon. That's very soon. That's say October. We might see a little run to 401 in October, but the main run they say is gonna happen around August next year. And they calling 30172. That's amazing. Coin Codex, what y'all on? They calling 30172. That is crazy. Look, it's a reason, man. It's about to be some crazy stuff going on with the crypto space, blockchain technology, and stuff like that. But I just want to check this out. I want to know how they calculate this, how they find these prices. I just find it interesting. What up? What up? What up, Daddy C? What it do? White hat hackers. All right. A bit of everything says his top projects are ZBC, Chronos, Dogecoin. Those things next 3-5 years are going to blow up. Mark my words. Hey, I'm not doubting it. I'm not doubting it, man. And when the bull run runs, we're gonna see a lot of cryptos do well, man. The funny thing is, though, family, you know what I'm saying? If you go look at 5 years ago, top 10 tokens was totally different. So something like Zabet could go crazy, you know what I'm saying? Go on a crazy run and end up being in the top 10. Quant, you know what I'm saying? Elon, you never know what may be the top meme coin, alt one, layer one, DeFi project, man. Things do change, but that's a good little roundup to have inside your portfolio. Prime Rule says if a huge amount of money is taken and a Doge white hat hacker finds it and returns it, Doge pays those white hacks saw generous tips. I don't know too much about that, Prime, but I had to do some research. Is last I heard, what it do? All right, man. Q&A. Let's see how the market looking. Y'all see y'all boy been killing that, yeah. TNA swing trading. We out here. Ethereum went up a little bit. We need Ethereum to cross back up to 1600, man. Ethereum can't break 1500. Matter of fact, let's take a look at the Ethereum charts while I'm looking at it, y'all. Q&A, man. Y'all drop the questions. Y'all drop as much questions y'all can. Like, subscribe this, share this on Twitter. You already know what your boy. Come on, man. Support the content creators that's still out here in the bear market, man. Show some love to the people that's willing to come and do this, even when things are bad. Watch how we be when things turn up, though. Watch how we be in the next bull run when things turn up. Watch how we be, family. We gonna be lit. We gonna be lit. Why am I looking at that? I want to look at the candle chart. I want to see what's going on with Ethereum for the day. Everybody got the little triple top here. They got an ascending triple top. That's crazy. But then it broke the neckline here, and when it broke the neckline, it just dropped. I think it's gonna pop back up, y'all. I just can't see with no news why we would capitulate. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Oversold on the 4-hour chart for sure. Oversold on the 4-hour chart. Double bottom here. Hold on, we got a double bottom here on a 4-hour chart. Hopefully we don't break. If we can bounce off that neckline. Hold on. Yeah, double bottom here. Yeah, a double bottom here. If we can bounce off that neckline, which is support, and then break the next resistance. Hopefully we don't go sideways in this channel, man. We need to break this channel and we need to head back up. It just is what it is, man. We need to head back up before if Ethereum merge. Why is everybody so scared right now, man? We got the merge coming up, man. It's supposed to be, you know what I'm saying? Things. Let's check the tether dominance right here. See how we are looking on the tether dominance, family. All right. Right at 6% on the tether dominance. We gonna have to see. We gonna have to see what the market does, man. It's just crazy market right now. That's the Bitcoin. Where was I at? Where was the Ethereum charts at? Look like we in a channel right now, family. We gotta break out that channel. Down there oversold on the RSI and the 4-hour chart. Let's put some bands there, man, and see how it's looking. Ooh, we definitely under that 20-day. We gotta cross that. That's kind of bearish being under that, which is 1617. See that orange line? We're under that orange line and trying to come up with some type of consolidation under this 20-day. But we gotta bounce off that, man. Ooh, we gotta bounce off that. We got heavy resistance now at 17. All that was support. Can't understand why the market is acting all crazy right before the merge. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that in the comments. This is a very interesting market. Very interesting market here. Very interesting market. Dogelon is a great project, great community, but the devs are killing it with the mysteries and silence. If they plan on being out for 5 to 10 years, well, partnership should be announced. Otherwise, I love the coin. Hey, I can understand why you're saying that, man. I can understand that why you're saying that. But I think it's the more and more I think about it, a bit of everything. I think the whole point of Dogelon Mars is for it to be a community-driven token. You feel me? I didn't already gave up on the fact that the devs may say something. I'm not expecting this dev to say something. Why I'm not expecting the dev to say something? Because when we seen when the Methuselah protocol here. And y'all let me know if on Twitter, man, y'all losing all the people that y'all follow. I can't even find the people that I follow. Like, all the people that I follow are gone now, which is crazy. But y'all see, Dogelon Mars retweeted the Methuselah Foundation and the Methuselah protocol. They even tagged, Methuselah even tagged Vitalik. So, we know Methuselah is connected. They wouldn't have tagged Vitalik, alright? Dogelon Mars retweeted this. So if you waiting on the devs, man, you might as well chalk that up to the game, bro. The devs, chalk it up. Try to focus on something else other than that. You feel me? They are working on building. I would love to see an ecosystem. I would love to see some tokens. I mean, we've seen how successful Leash and Bone has been for Shiba Inu, and we're seeing them also come out with Treat and the Shy stablecoin. You feel me? Now, yeah, you know what I'm saying? You know, it is what it is. It is what it is. You feel me? But again, you got to understand also that the value and utility for Methuselah is completely underestimated, as you can see here from this article. And when you think about this, it kind of eases your mind on the partnership between Dogelon Mars and Methuselah Foundation. Because think about it, family. A lot of these wealthy people are getting older. You feel me? You don't know how their health is. Nobody knows. You know, you can put a smile on your face, but you don't know how these guys' health is or nothing. And right now, Methuselah Foundation has the only longevity clinic, I believe, in I don't want to say in the world, but maybe in the country. You get what I'm saying? So, and just imagine their connections with other entities that's trying to usher in the research for anti-aging. As you can see, analysts estimate the market for delaying human death could be worth $610 billion by 2025. So when you buy these tokens, you got to understand what you're signing up. Maybe this value and utility isn't for everybody, and that's okay. You feel me? A lot of people don't see the need for this in the crypto space, but if you are a visionary type of person, I mean, we ain't getting no younger, family. We ain't getting no younger. You feel me? So somebody in the crypto space had to tackle this specific utility. Now, it's rare, it's different, but it's still a need. Think about Stefan, GMT. Think about Step at FitFi. Like, somebody had to say, like, shit, it's a need for health and fitness in the crypto space. Let me create a move to earn token. And I think we're seeing things become a little bit more clear in the Elon community. Not to add, Methuselah Foundation also has a partnership with NASA. Yes, family, NASA. If you're new to the channel, go check out all my videos on Methuselah Foundation where you can find out everything. But yeah, they have a partnership with NASA also. That's a 1-in-1. That's also a 1-in-1. So Elon does have a few things going on, and it outperformed Ethereum and Bitcoin within the last year. You can't take away from the stats. Now, we can be a little bit upset about the Dogelon devs, but I mean, if you all the way knee deep in like your boy Millie is, you know what I'm saying, there ain't no going back at this point. You know what I'm saying? We can only go forward at this point. It's definitely a community project, not currency yet. If you don't mind looking at this Zebek chart, next bull run, we lit. Facts. I'll check that out for you. A bit of everything. A bit of everything. Want me to check out the Zebek charts for y'all. All right, so what is Zebek protocol? We about to look at this. Now, this is a project that was built on Solana. All right, so it could be huge. Now, this is what I was telling people. Like, people was on my comments comparing, like, oh, I've seen the Dogelon Mars huge, and you my boy, you know you my boy. But you say I've seen the Dogelon Mars audits and things like that, which is fine. But you see how this says audited by Certit? It might not mean something, but to a lot of people in the crypto space, when they're looking at projects, they like to see this, family. They like to see this. All right. So, multi-sig treasury management and streaming payments. Very, very interesting project. Zebek is continuous settlement protocol on Solana. Zebek is enabling composable transfer of value starting with the Zebek payroll. Zebek safe is fully customizable. So, they're building safes where you can protect your crypto from the look of it. Look at some of the things they're backed by here. This is huge. So you see Solana, Coinbase, Launchpad Capital, Republic Capital, Blocks Dream Ventures, Gemini. You see the partners. We like to see the partners, right? We like to see this. So it's like a treasury here. I got to do a little bit more research to find out exactly what they do, because I want to be in depth with it. But let's go check out a few things about. Let's see if we can do some research on Zebek while we're at it. All right, so let's check out the total supply. Total supply here, 10 million. Circulating supply, 7%. So this is tokenomics, not good. Not good tokenomics. Market cap, 23 million. But this right here, they got this means, what's it, 732 million and 10 billion max in total supply. So yeah, this is only 7%, family. So I would definitely have to go, and they probably don't have it because this is a new token. Let me go check it out. Yeah, they probably don't got the tokenomics on this. They don't got the tokenomics on this. I would have liked to see the tokenomics and how everything is distributed on this token, because the circulating supply is definitely a red flag here. Only 7% of the circulating supply is out of the whole 10 billion. So this means that it's a lot. This is an inflationary token, and there will be VC capital dumps on you. You know what I'm saying? So that's probably why this thing ran up and then jump back down, as you can see right here. But this is still an opportunity to get back in. Now, don't get me wrong, family. That's not meaning this is a bad project. Like, you can still get a bag off this project, but more tokens will be minted, which would make it more inflationary, which would pretty much limit the potential on the price. When you see the circulating supply like that, it limits the potential on the price, because when it does go up, and we've seen it from Gala, they'll just mint more tokens and make it more diluted. And we don't like to see tokens being diluted if we want to see big max capital gains. Outside of the tokenomics, I don't have a problem with the Zebek protocol at all. It's something that I would definitely do research on and look into. But I think when you see, it's built on Solana. So again, we've seen with crypto.com, people call their projects as being built cash grab. So you want to be safe with projects that's built on these projects. Make sure it's not a cash grab for the original project. You know what I mean? You already know when you come to this channel, I'm gonna give y'all straight real, straight value, and let y'all know everything to be protected out here inside the crypto space. They also have buyback and burn mechanic. I can't speak on it. Look. bit of everything. I'm not down in the token. I can't speak on things that I don't know. You know more about this token than I do. You get what I'm saying? I'm just going off from a quick glance of how things is going, and that was just what my opinion was based off of a quick glance of what I look at when I'm investing into the projects. You feel me? Now, what you may look at might be totally different, but when I look at certain things, that's some things that catch my eye. You get what I'm saying? So, again, it's not nothing bad. Trust me, it's not nothing bad. Let's go check out Zebek over here. Alright, let's go see what they got to say. Alright, so right now it's overbought and it may fall soon. So if you want to get into Zebek, you got a chance while it's falling. This cryptocurrency is considered highly volatile, undefined, not trading with fiat. The only highlights right now it has is 17 days in the green and has high liquidity based on the market cap. So yeah, I was right. 10 billion max supply. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I don't like that. I don't like that. But other than that, I like everything else about the project. I gotta do more research on it though. I have to do more research. Let's check out the price predictions. Still working on a yearly and 6 month. It's so new, family. It is so new. It's so new. That's a new token, a bit of everything. So yeah. Yeah, Stephen A, I have checked out H-Bar's prediction on that site, but I don't agree with the H-Bar prediction at all. You feel me? I've checked out H-Bar prediction on that site. I don't agree with it. Some of these I don't even agree with. Some of them I do, some of them I don't. All right, man. Appreciate everybody that's been here. That's still here. Let's check it out. Not a lot of movement right now, family. Not a lot of movement. Let's check out the traditional markets. S&P down, NASDAQ down. So yeah, a lot of opportunity to accumulate, family, right here, right now, today. It seems like it's going to be one of those days where you just got to keep your head up and embrace the pain, embrace the red. You know what I'm saying? It's crypto, man. It's going to be up and down. I ain't going to get up here and tell y'all, hey, we going to the moon. Unless we going to the moon. Linda, you might be new to the stream. I covered Quant for like 5-10 minutes. Make sure you go rewind it. We talked about Quant. Quant is going to be huge. It's one of my favorites as far as the way the tokenomics is set up. Quant is going to be huge. I think we did a section on Quant. So if you got to rewind it to actually go check it out, yes, we did talk about Quant today. Quant's going to be huge. Q&A. Yeah, a bit of everything. You got to do something to cope with that inflation, because that's not good tokenomics right there, brother. Great project, but they got to be hiding something with them type of tokenomics. Sheesh. Yeah, I see that you just joining it. It's happy to have you here. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, we talked about Quant. Quant is one of the tokens that I have been looking to shop for, and looking to actually find a good price to get in. It's still a little high for me, so I'm gonna wait for it to come down. If it does come down in this little flash crash, hopefully I can get it around $80, which would be double of what the bottom was. So I believe the floor for Quant was $40. I'm mad I didn't know about it, bro. I'm so mad that Quant, it just slipped my radar. You feel me? It slipped the radar. Y'all lit in the chat, man. Show some support, man. Show some support Become a member, man. Become a member, man. Support the channel, man. If you support the channel now, we're going to be doing some wonderful things when the bull run comes around. Support the content creators that get up, you know what I'm saying, come out here, bear market, to deliver this excellent news for you guys. You feel me? Camera on, shirt and tie, face full, ready to attack the crypto market aggressively today. You know what I'm saying? We're ready. I'm ready to attack the workspace, because once I get off this, I'm going to work. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to get that bag up, that capital up, and just looking for investments, man, inside a micro and recession environment. You know, how we going to change our legacies if we sit around and do nothing? We got to go out there and apply ourselves each and every day. You feel me? You only as good as your last check-in. That's what I was taught in sales. You feel me? People want to, we're in a world where it's, what can have you done for me lately? You know what I'm saying? So you got to always, family, always prove your value. That way you can't be replaced. When you prove your value, you can't be replaced. You know what I'm saying? So this goes out to anybody. You don't got to necessarily be a serial entrepreneur like myself. You can have a 9-to-5. You can be a hustler, sports player, athlete, whatever you do. Make sure that you go hard or you go home and you apply yourself. You know what I'm saying? 110% effort. Work ethic, because you can have the most talent, but you definitely gotta have that work ethic behind it, family. Like it. That's how y'all feel, man. Make sure y'all get them likes, man. Bullish E-Money. I don't even know nothing about that token. I never heard of M shares, so I can't speak on it. I only speak on stuff that I've done research on. I will look into it, but I never heard of M shares, so I'm not going to speak on it. I forgot to even post that I was live. Dang, y'all. I hope somebody shared this on Twitter for me, man. I didn't forgot to post that I was live. Hold on, y'all. Let me at least post it. And I've been on live for how long? Shit, almost an hour. Oh man, we running up the bag. We running up the bag. We running up the bag. Run up the bag. Run up the bag. Run up the bag. I'm telling y'all, crypto is in that zone. We trying to see where we gonna go. Is we going up or down, family? Are you bearish or bullish? Let me know in the chat right now. Are you bearish, bullish? Q&A. Let me know in the chat. I'm talking to everybody. I'm answering every question. Give me a question right now. I will answer it. Let y'all know how I think and how I attack the crypto market. Let's see if we getting bullish on Elon. Let's see how we looking on the Elon charts for that. Alright, look like we just on the hour charts. Look like we just broke the resistance here. We could be headed up. RSI on up. Still not to a point where we're oversold on the RSI on the 1 hour chart. Ooh. The handle. They be saying, who cup the handle? Four-hour chart though, look like we just ready to blast out of here. We ready to blast out of here on a 4-hour. What's y'all Elon goals, man? What's y'all goals with the Elon token? How much y'all trying to have, or how much you got right now? But again, I don't see how this hawkish momentum continues. I didn't go to a Dogelon Reddit in a long time, y'all. Let's go to the Reddit. We haven't been to this in a long time. I know y'all used to like this when I used to cover this on the channel. I used to cover like the Dogelon Reddits, man. The Dogelon Warriors are a dedicated group of individuals within the Dogelon Mars community to promote and educate anyone inside and outside the community about the mission of Dogelon Mars. We are volunteers. We approach you with the Dow temperature check poll to ask the community if we can use Dogelon Warrior community wallet funds to create a incentivizing airdrop bot. This Telegram bot will be used to attract and engage community members to promote on social media. Part of its functionality is configuring will be allowed to be set once ERC20 to gain points per the Dogelon Wars request to use total budget of 3 billion Elon tokens for winning participant for eventual. What's that? Maintenance costs will be separately handled. Discussed through this poll. We will verify we can create DAO discussion where developers can apply for this job. Participants will be chosen at the discretion of the Dogelon Warrior leaders. Apester signing out. All right, Apester just dropped a new proposal here. I just feel like, man, we should have been doing a whole lot of stuff with the Elon influencers, man. There's so much people that's part of the Elon influencers, that's good influencers out there, family. And you know what I mean? We haven't had a sit down, a good stream where it's everybody giving their opinions, everybody giving off their energy. And I think it'd be good, man. So many other influencers, we just seem like we're just separate when, you know what I'm saying, we need to be more in tune. And it's funny because I reached out on plenty influencers. It's always when the time is right and all that, man. Screw all that. You know what I'm saying? The time is right when you want to make the time right. People make time for what they want to do at the end of the day. You get what I'm saying? So, like, and even as an influencer, how do you think that you're going to get your channel rocking if you don't network? Like, you got to network. You know what I'm saying? This is not something that should be, we need to find influencers. We got influencers. We just need to work together. The influencers, we're here. You feel me? Well, everybody want to do their own thing. You know what I'm saying? And it's cool with me. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, we gonna grow, family. We gonna grow with or without Elon. You know what I'm saying? That's how I prime my channel, man, on value and utility. That's why I don't shove one thing down y'all throat. I shove what I learn. What I learn about the market is what I bring to the channel. I don't shill just because the hell of it, or just because I know if I know I could easily do pro Elon videos and say, we're going to 1 penny and do that every time, and I'll easily get 1,000, 2,000 views easily. I see it whenever I do something that's clickbaitish. Y'all roll and run with it. You know what I'm saying? But when you, it seems like when you come with the real value, the real utility, y'all scared of that. Y'all want to water down. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. I ain't bringing nothing on the channel to be like, to get my bags up. If I was, I'd just be shilling Elon all day. Shill. That's what they want me to do. That's what the algorithm wants me to do. That's what the community wants me to do. But I'm doing what I want to do. And that's bring value to the channel. You get what I'm saying? So y'all go check out the DAO and check out all that, man. Bullish, you said, oh, I got a lot of tokens, man. I did just go look at the video where I did the Dogelon Millionaire portfolio. I've done plenty of portfolio tokens. I've brought tokens with DeFi on this channel. I bought tokens with real yield on this channel. I bought you ISO 222 compliant tokens on this channel. I bought you guys other meme coins that's worth investing into. Valuable stuff about crypto outside of just what's going on, Elon. Stuff that's very important to have inside your portfolio, like a strong layer 2, like projects that have institutional projects behind them. All that's on the channel, family. All of it. You get what I'm saying? But again, that's just that passion, because I want to see the community work together. I've been raving about doing a live stream with my boy Crypto Brown, Silent Alonzo, Stock NATO. You know what I'm saying? It's another guy out there that I asked about. And there's a few more people that actually are on YouTube that buy Elon but just don't talk about it. It's some big influencers that I know personally that buy Elon. They just don't talk about it. You get what I'm saying? And we gotta have these conversations, man. It's gonna spread like a wildfire. And as the community continues to build, we got community devs putting in work. They putting in work. I appreciate them. They putting in work. They coming with games. They actually putting in work. It's people that's been putting in work, even with or without the devs. So I tell y'all, like, Elon community deserve it all. Whatever y'all got coming, we got coming, should I say, in the bull run, we deserve it. Because of everything we went through in this bear market. We deserve it. Alright? Alright. We got that understood. Let's see what else on this. Oh, speaking of the game, well, there it goes. The first ever Dogelon Mars mobile game has just been launched, called Dogelon Mars. Go check it out. It's from the Dogelon independent devs. It's on all the apps. Go check it out, man. Now, what's next is creating these games with utility. How does these games help Dogelon grow? Like, she was able to answer that question with Sharbarium, with the collectible card game. So now we gotta solve the problem. How can these new projects help the token grow? Once we solve that problem, we can move on to the next problem. Y'all go check out that, man. People still buying big billies. People still buying big billies, even in the bear. Boy dropped 22 bands even in the bear. So it ain't going nowhere, man. We ain't going nowhere. But y'all let me know what y'all think, man. I'm about to get up out of here, man. I appreciate everybody that showed up to the stream, man. For the people that got to the stream late, just leave a comment. You know what I'm saying? Become a member, man. It really helps out the channel. Help out the comment, like and subscribe, retweet this. Do whatever you got to do to get the awareness on Elon and other great crypto projects and just entrepreneur and crypto news. Appreciate everybody that showed up, man. SOAPLLC TV, Millie, I'm signing.